patterns in a formal dinner tablescape and a formal dinner place setting? Not typical, but possible. I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Michelle, your Chief Concierge for Luxury Wedding Planning in New York and owner of Renee Michelle Events. I created this channel to help brides and grooms navigate their wedding planning journey stress-free. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you and welcome. Be sure to click subscribe and the notification bell so you're always alerted when I post new videos. So most of the time, when you see formal dinners, formal reception dinner table settings or tablescapes, you see subtle patterns such as paisley or floral, but again, it's subtle. Like it may be a pattern within the tablecloth, or if it's in a napkin, you really have to look close to see it. But you can incorporate an unexpected pattern, such as this one here. And incorporating this type of pattern, your napkin does not have to take away from the formality that you envision for your tablescape. Keep watching, because in this video, I will show you how to take this napkin and create and keep your formal element that you have desired for your wedding. In this video, I am displaying a formal place setting using the napkin I displayed in my semi-formal place setting last week's video. I'm using this napkin to show you that you can use bold patterns and designs even in a formal dinner reception. I'm using the same salad fork, dinner fork, knife, soup spoon, and your sorbet spoon. The wine glass, still clean lines, no pattern, and a complementing champagne flute. Again, these glasses are from different sets, but they complement each other. Having the napkin folded vertically allows you to drape it over your table. As you've probably seen in a lot of magazines that you look at, that's what you have the effect here. I used a silver band and a silver button. Both of these items have crystal-like effects so that when a light shines, it bounces and glimmers off of not only your charger, but as well as the band and the button that is sitting on top of the band. I use the burgundy calla lily with greenery behind it because the calla lily here gives you a burst of color, an unexpected burst of color. So whatever color you're using in your floral decor, you can use that in your place setting napkin. Having the calla lily facing up is one option, but you can also turn it so that the open end is facing to the left, as I've displayed here. Or you may want to decide to turn it so that the open end is facing to the right. All I want to make sure you understand in this point of the video is that the option and direction is up to you in your vision. So once you've decided on the positioning of your flower, you can even use roses here. And then you're eliminating the, oh, do I want it facing up? Do I want it facing left? Do I want it facing right? Whatever floral you use, go with it. Remember, it does not have to match your napkin ring or your napkins. The point is that you want to always have a focal, a place to draw your guests' eyes in. With this video, my goal was to show you that a modern napkin can be used in a formal setting, be it shapes such as I've used and have in this napkin, circles, subtle triangles. Your vision can go as big as you desire. So don't hold back. Make sure everything complements and keeps the eye focused, and enjoy planning your wedding reception decor. So after watching this video, I hope your vision is broadened to incorporate a pattern such as the one you saw in this video. Use it in your napkins and have it speak to your guests, but still keep that formal feel that you envisioned. A pattern doesn't just have to be floral or paisley. It can be checkered and it can be organic shapes, circles, squares. The limit is your choosing. So think outside of the box. Take an unexpected pattern and make it your formal. Now be sure to click subscribe and the notification bell so you always know when the videos are posted. And if you didn't watch last week's video, click the frame popping up now on the right. I'll see you soon.